Hello guys. Um this is question on board mass. Okay. So for you to understand that, okay, yes, we can also use method 2 here. Okay. So we can also use method 2 to solve this question. Okay. So now in the last part of my first solution to this, there's something I need to pinpoint, but I expect the viewers to also pinpoint it out. So it was intentional. It was intentional. So, but it's okay. So for method 2, okay. So what we need to do, if you want to use method 2 here, so don't forget, I've told you what do you need to do here. So you have your what? Your whole value. This is your whole value for your numerator. Your whole value for numerator. So what do you do to your whole value? What do? You do what? You 4 minus 1. Okay. That will give you what? 3 for numerator. Then do your normal LCM for your fractions, which is 2 over 9 and what? 13 over 5. So what can go? I think 45 can do justice to this, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Yeah, 15, 30, 30 plus another 15, that's 45. The 9 times 5 is what? 45. So this is something as saying 45 divided by 9 is what? 5. 5 times 2, 10. 9 times 4, 9 times 3 is 27. Okay. 27 plus another 9, that's 36. 36 plus another 9, that's 45. So that's 5. So 9 times 5, 45. 5 times 2 is what? 10. That is LCM we're doing now. LCM. The LCM for 9 and 15 is what? 45. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 5 times 2, 10. So 45 divided by 15, 15, that's 3. Okay. 15 plus 15, 30 plus another 15, 45. That's 3. 3 times 13. Okay. 3 times what? Times 13, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. 3 times 13. Okay, I believe it's 13, if I'm not mistaken. So 3 times 13, that will give us what? That's 3 times 13. That's 3 times 3, 9. Okay, 3 times 3, 9. Then 39. Okay, this is 39. So it's as simple as that. Okay, so 3 times 13, that's 39. Okay, so that is done. At the end of the day, I believe, okay, let me do something here. Let me change this one to what? To 3. Okay, to avoid them. Let me change this one to what? To 3. Then we can now change this. We can redo this. Okay, let me change it to 3. Okay, so it's as simple as that. I can just change that figure. So that is 45 divided by 15, that's 3. 3 times 3 is 9. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to avoid we getting negative out from the numerator. So that is numerator. You have your denominator. Okay, so this is 45. So you have your denominator. So look at the denominator very well. You need to apply board mass here. So board mass, don't forget, under board mass, you have, what do you have? Board mass, that's board mass. So what do you have on board mass? It means that bracket of division, multiplication, you do your multiplication first in numerator. Don't jump the gun, okay? Do your multiplication first. So this is the same thing as saying 2 whole number, 1 over 5, okay? 2 whole number, 1 over 5. So then you have plus. So what do we do here? Change this. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, that's 7 over 3. Okay? 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, that's 7 over 3. That's 4 over 7 times what? 7 over what? 3. 7 will cancel what? 7. Okay? So don't forget, 7 will cancel 7. You need to take care of the multiplication first. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7 over 3. Okay? So now, after doing that, you now have, this will now be equals to, so this will be equals to, okay, this will be equals to you now have 3 your number, 10 minus 9, that is 1. That's 1 over 45. Okay. Then you now have 2 o number, 1 over 5 plus, what's the answer that you're getting there? That's 4 over what? Over 3. So this is same thing as 3 o number, 1 over 45. Okay. Then 2 o number, 1 over 5. I can change this to improper fraction. What is the improper fraction here? I can say 1 o number, 1 over 3. Okay, it's the same thing. I want to use method 2. This 3 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. It's still the same thing because I want to apply shortcut method 2. That was why I had to change it to improper fraction. So it means this one is what? 3 your number, 1 over 45. Okay, all over 2 plus 1. That is what? 3. Okay, 2 plus 1. That is what? 3. Then I will now do my LCM. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 3. Shortcut method 2 for board math. So 3 your number, 1 over 45. Okay, all over 3. What's the LCM there? That's 15. Okay, 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 times 1 is what? 3. 15 divided by 3, that's 5. 5 times 1 is what? 5. Okay, so this is simple as 3 your number, 1 over 45. 3 your number, that's 8 over what? 8 over 15. Okay, that's 3 your number, 8 over what? Over 15. So you can see how shortcut can help you, okay, to quickly resolve your questions as fast as possible. Okay, so what do we now do next? The next, you can just convert it to what? Proper fractions, to be sure that yes, you are getting your answer out. Okay, so now I can convert this to proper fraction. 45 times 3, 3 times 5, that's what? 15. Carry 1. 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 35. Okay, let me do like this. 5 times 3, 5 times 3 is what? 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so 5 times 3 is what? Is 15. So carry 1. So when you take 1 there, so it means at the end of the day, you can now get your answer out. So 5 times 3 is 15. Carry 1. 4 times 3, 12 plus 1, 13. So that's 135. So 135 plus 1, that's 136 over 45. Divided by this long division, I change it to short division. So 15 times 3, that's what? 45. 45 plus what? Plus 8. Okay, 45 plus 8, that's what? 53. That's 53 over what? 15. Yeah, 15 times 3, 45. 45 plus 8, that's what? 53 over 15. So what do we now do? We can now change our division to multiplication. Numerator, anything on the right hand side, the owner of this division is this 53 over 15. So numerator will come up, denominator will come down. That implies 136 over 45 times what? 15 over 53. 15 here 1, 15 here what? 3. Okay, so 15 here 1, 15 here 3. So can we get another thing that can go here? Can we get another thing that can go here? So at the end of the day, let's see whether we have 3. Can 3 go here? 3 here, 3 here, 3 in 3 is what? So you can just do your multiplication, very simple. Therefore, you have 136 over, that's 3 times 3, 9, 9. So 5 times 3, 15. Okay, it's as simple as that. So you can do your multiplication and get your answer out. Okay, so I had to adjust the question from the beginning because I'm avoiding getting negative from the beginning. So that is how you can use your short method to solve your questions easily. So it's very simple, it's straightforward. Okay, but most times shortcut is not always working. Okay, so you need to know the proper method so that when one fails, you fall on the other one. So continue to follow us on across our social medias, okay? On Instagram, on TikTok, Facebook, and invite a lot of young ones too, your friends, your colleagues. Let them enjoy the benefits of this online teaching and then the simplest way to solve mathematics. Cheers. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.